Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So you all were waiting to begin with our classes today? Great. Before classes, have you attended your prayer class? Yoga sessions? Everything? Good. So you all are taking your healthy breakfast or not before beginning with the classes? फिर क्लासेस के बीच में भूख नहीं लगती ना आपको? Great. So let's begin with our today's classes. But आज हम 2 दिन की छुट्टी के बाद मिले. So we were having 2 days holidays now. So can you tell me what is the day today? Today is first day of the week. आज week का first day है. So what is the day today? Today is Monday. Yes. So what was yesterday? कल क्या था? Sunday. You enjoyed it? Great. So before beginning with our maths class, first we'll revise days of the week once. So who is going to tell me days of the week? Let us all say together. Clear? So all of you start with Monday. Yes, because that is the first day of the week. So we'll start with this day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then last we have is Sunday. So this is how we have 7 days in a week. So count these fingers. How many days we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we always say 7 days in a week. And those days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So today is Monday. And what is the date today? 24th August 2020. Clear? So this is our maths class. What we are going to do in this class? Yes, we are going to learn about numbers 16, 17 and 18. So these are the 3 numbers we are going to learn today. I know you all know how to write 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. You all know how to write that. But what is 16? What is 17? And what is 18? We are going to learn that. Clear? So let's begin with the classes. So the first number that we are going to learn is number 16. So what we'll do, we'll first write the number here. 16. Then which is the next number we are going to learn? 17. Like this we'll write. Then the next we are going to learn about is number 18. Clear everyone? Clear all? Okay now. So what we'll do is we'll start making balls today. So you all love playing with balls and it is easy to draw a ball also. I'll start drawing the balls and you have to count them with me. Clear? And after that I'll ask what next to be done. Today you will teach ma'am. Okay? So I'll ask questions and you have to answer me those things. Let us begin with the number 16. So let's count the balls now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many balls I have made here class? I have drawn 10 balls. Clear? So is it 16? अब 16 बनानी है. We need to count 16 balls. How many balls we have to count? We need to count 16 balls. अब ये तो 10 balls हैं. How many more? अब 10 balls यानी कि we have one group. Remember as I told you, 10 objects makes one group. For that we write 1 here. So now how many more we want? और कितनी चाहिए? We need 6 more balls. So let us count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one is 6. ब्लैक वाली बॉल्स को अलग से काउंट करेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6. हमारे पास ब्लैक बॉल्स कितनी है? 6 है. विल राइट काउंटिंग 1 2 3 4 5 6. And now let us count how many red balls we have here. 1 2 3 4. Then we have 5 6 7 8 9 10. Clear everyone? So now try to understand that these 10 red balls is making one group. So as I told you, one group of 10 objects. One group of 10 objects. So today our object is ball. Object मतलब वो चीज. आज हमारी चीज क्या है? ये ball. So we have 10 balls. So 10 red balls is making one group, and that is one here. And after that, how many black we have? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. हमारे पास 6 और balls हो गई. So that 6 we have written here now. Clear everyone? So let us count them all up. अब हम क्या करेंगे? सबको एक साथ काउंट करेंगे and we'll check whether we have 16 balls or not. Clear? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. और 10 के बाद क्या काउंटिंग आएगी? यू नो दैट 11 12 13 14 15 16. So we got 16 balls. Clear? This is how we write number 16. 16 का मतलब क्या हुआ? One group of 10 objects plus 6 more objects. Is that clear to all of you? 1 6 16 नहीं होगा. One group of 10 objects plus 16 objects. Plus मतलब पहले आप देखो हमारे पास 10 fingers हैं. We have these 10 fingers in our hand. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 fingers हो गए. ये 10 fingers के साथ अब what I have more is 6 pens. See here, I have 6 pens to count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. अब अगर हम इनको अपनी fingers बनाते हैं तो 10 and 6 16. अब वो कितनी बनी? 16 बन गई. Is that clear to all of you how we got this number 16? Now moving to the next number. So next number we have is 17. How you are going to say this number? जब ये नंबर बोलना है तो हम कैसे बोलेंगे? We'll say it 17. 17. Say with me 17. Clear all? So let us see how we get this number now. So here we have used balls. Now what else we can do? We can make smileys now. So with this is 1 2. Count with me. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So and again I'll say one group of 10 smileys. Count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So what we have? We have one group of 10 smileys. Clear? Now what we want more? We want 7 groups. We want 7 more smileys we want. So let us start our work then. Count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, now we have 1, 2. We'll start writing the counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is 10. So we have 10 here now, and after that we'll start writing counting further. 11, 12, 13, 14, this one is 15, 16 and 17. So we got 17 smiles here. What we have done? One group of 10 smileys, that is here. One group of 10s and 7 more. How many more? 7 more. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more हो गए हमारे पास. And after putting them all together, उन सबको एक साथ जब हमने count करा, so what we got? We got number 17. Yes, we got number 17. Now moving to the next number, that is 18. So you know how to write or how to, yes, you know how to write. 1 in tens place and 8 in ones place. Clear? So this is how we write 18. But how we can understand this number? Can anyone tell me? We'll start drawing the objects now. So what object you want me to take? We have taken ball, we have taken smileys. Okay, let's take some lollipops. Shall we take some lollipops? Okay. So we are going to take some strawberry lollipops first. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many lollipops I have drawn here, class? Can you tell me? Let us count them once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have 10 lollipops now. So 10 lollipops means one group of 10s. So ये one group हो गया हमारा. One group of 10 I told you. Now how many more lollipops we want? Can anyone tell me? We want 8 more lollipops. तो अब हम पहले क्या करेंगे? अब यहाँ पे 8 है ना, तो we'll draw 8 more lollipops first. So let us start that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So let's start counting them once again now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 हो गए हमारे पास. So we have 10 lollipops, one group, and we have 8 more lollipops. So what we are going to do? We are going to count them together and see whether they are 18 or not now. Clear? So let us begin that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, I'll continue my writing with this red pen. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and this is 18. So that means one group of 10 objects plus 8 more objects makes the number 18. This is how we got our number 18. Clear everyone? So let us see once again how we got the 16. 10 plus 6. पहले हमारे पास 10 ऑब्जेक्ट्स थे, फिर we have drawn 6 more objects क्योंकि one group of 10 ऑब्जेक्ट्स था जिसमें हमने 6 ऑब्जेक्ट्स और ऐड किए, उसके साथ मिक्स किए and we got number 16. Then when we are talking about 17, we were having one group of 10 objects. With that we added 7 more objects and we got the number 17. Similarly with 18 also, we have one group of 10 objects plus 8 objects and we got the number 18. Clear everyone? How you get this number 16, 17 and 18? Okay. So today's book work is book page number 111, then 112 and 113. So all of you open your book on the page number 111 and I'll tell you how we are going to complete our work today. Clear all? So class, after opening your maths book on page number 111, you will find that you have to write number 16. So what you will do, you will first write today's date, 24th August 2020, and after that you will write classwork here. Clear? Now say 16 apples, color the apples red and write number 16. So what you have to do, first you will count these apples, after that you will color them. And after coloring these apples, you have to write number 16. So how you will write that? You will say 16. Again you will write 16. Then once again 16. 16. Like this, you will complete this page of number 16. After doing this, move to the next and there you will see 17. So next number we have is 17. So what you are going to do? Again write today's date, 24th August 2020 and this is your classwork. Clear? Say 17 toffees, color the toffees and write number 17. Understood? What you have to do? You have to color these candies, these toffees, and after coloring them you will write number 17. How? Like this. Again I am saying, when you are writing these numbers, touch the bottom line but don't cross the bottom line. Bottom line se niche nahi aayega number. Clear everyone? And last we are going to do is number 18 on page number 113. You will see number 18. Again you will write today's date, 24th August 2020 and this is your homework. Clear all? This is your homework. So say 18 cups. So what picture is this? What is the object? Cups. Color these cups. Color the cups pink and write number 18. So you can use only pink color while you are doing coloring in this cup, in these cups, and after that we'll write number 18. So how we are going to write? Now please see the formation of 8. Like this you will make 8. जो ये आप 0 0 वाला बनाते हो, this is wrong. This is the wrong way of writing number 8. So you will write number 8 like this. Clear everyone? complete all these 3 pages, that is number 16, then number 17, and after that number 18. Complete your work fast. Okay? So class, understood the numbers which I have taught you today, that is 16, 17 and 18. I hope by now you must have understood how to write numbers from 1 to 18 also. So we are going to revise that first orally now, and after another class I am going to teach you how to write these numbers in notebook as well. But till then, don't stop practicing your writing work of counting 1 to 10 in one series, and after that you can also practice writing numbers from 11 to 18 in notebook also. Clear everyone? So let us just say our oral counting once. Start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and after that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Clear everyone? Now please finish your work and share your work. Again I am saying share your work in Google Classroom. So you all have joined the Google Classroom where I am making a folder or date wise folder. I am writing the date and subject. Google Classroom में जब आप जाते हैं assignments में, so you get the folder where the date is written with subject. So what you have to do, today's work, आपको एक folder मिलेगा 24 August 2020 maths. So you will be sharing your today's work in that folder. Clear everyone? Now please complete your work and get ready for the next class. So which is your next class? Environmental studies. So get ready for that class. Okay? Bye all.